Look at that fish. No, keep going, keep going. Bring it straight up. Bring it straight up. Hold the camera. Straight up. Oh, that's 2 pounds at least. You got to get that guy up in the air. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me make sure this is working. Hold that guy straight. Nice fish. Redwood.fish. Check it out. Hey, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notifications button. We're building a fun little fishing channel. Rock fishing, fishing from our boat, crab fishing, shore fishing. Well, stay tuned. One more thing. We love you guys. We love you guys. Thank you. First catch of the day. Got one. Shiny knot. Really beautiful knot. Hey guys, so we're gonna try another spot. Where we just tried, it was just a little, it was too choppy, and there was lots of kelp. It was hard to get a lure out there or a worm out there that we could retrieve quickly without getting snagged on stuff. So we're gonna move to a more calm spot where we are, but this place is amazing. It's beautiful. We are way up north on the coast going for rockfish. And our first area didn't work, but we're moving to another area which is we're very close. So we'll see you guys in a minute. All right. Okay, let's stop for a quick minute. After about 45 minutes of fishing and only catching a starfish and a small perch, we were visited by 2 officers from the California Department of Fish and Wildlife. They must have located us from their binoculars from afar, and I can tell you it wasn't easy for them to get to us. They had to hike a bit to get to the area where we were fishing. As standard procedure would allow, they checked our fishing licenses, asked to check our bags, and so on, which we allowed them to do, with no issues. I want to say I was very impressed with their professionalism and kindness. They have a job to do, and ensuring people are following the law is crucial to our coastal ecosystem. I hate poachers, and I've seen a fair share of it while fishing our Northern California coast, especially when crab fishing. Anyways, right after these officers left, the fishing got really hot. I appreciate it. It was nice to meet you. All right. And what was your name?
Good luck.
Dimitri. I'm Tyler. It's nice to meet you guys.
Nice to
yeah.
meet you, Tyler.
We're on YouTube at Redwood.fish. These guys are awesome. Right on, guys. Take care. Thank you. All right, Ryan just got a rockfish. Let's go. What you have right there is a baby, a little black rockfish. Turn him around.
I don't want to be...
Okay, Ryan just caught his second rockfish in the same spot. It gutted it. We might have to... I don't know what we're going to do with him. Let's see. Go get the pliers. Okay, hold on. Let's hold him up to the camera. Yeah, nice little rockfish. Good, right? Ooh! That's a beautiful little stinky bone level.
Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
Okay, right, look, hold on. Bring him over.
What is that, Ty? What kind?
It's a perch. Very edible. Back up a little bit. Nice fish, Rye. Nice fish. Keeper right there. There's a whole school of them, huh? Fish on? Oh yeah, that one's bigger, dude. Yeah, let's go. Third fish. right. Fish on. Here we go. We got our spot. All right, guys. So after watching Ryan catch so many fish, I finally got onto this nice perch right off the rocks here. Check this guy out. Hot diggity down. Woohoo! Yeah. So hold the camera, hold the camera. PK, hold the camera. I'll do the line, hold the camera. Straight up. Oh, that's 2 pounds at least. Huge rockfish. Ryan, that is the best catch of the day right there. Let's weigh him. Look at me. Yeah, hold on, let me make sure this is working. Hold that guy straight. Nice fish, right? We're gonna. What a good day we had today. We got some big fish. Not huge, not lingcod, not cabezon, but big perch and one huge rockfish. But Ryan caught like a dozen small rockfish. He was killing it today. Good job. This is Ryan's day today. Ryan won. Ryan's Point. We're gonna start calling that Ryan's Point, where he's sitting right there, slaying it. Okay, until next time, we'll see you guys. Subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. We'll see you guys soon. We love you guys. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you get our new videos. We're fishing, we're fishing, we're fishing, we're crabbing, we're doing it all. Love you guys. Peace out. We don't have great light in here, but this was that big black rockfish we caught. Filleted it up. It's going to be really good. We'll dip it in some butter. Then some of this fish fries, Zatarain's fish fry, crispy southern style. So give us a minute and we'll show you what it looks like. Coopany here, dipping the fish into the egg and then into the batter. What's up, guys?
What's up? What's up?
You want to have some rockfish tonight?
Yeah.
What's up? We got some rice cooking. Got some rockfish about to go into the oil. There's a couple fish over here. Cooked up. Wow, those baked for about 30 minutes. Try it out.
Looks good.
Slow down. Hold on. Was it good? Mm-hmm. Did you like the fish? Mm-hmm. Say yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me see. Yeah? That big black rockfish we caught turned into this.